up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to share with you guys this little issue that I've been getting here lately with my Camaro. So far, like, I took my car off the trickle charger about I say 3 weeks ago when the weather started getting right here. And lately I've been just pushing it on and off and on and off. But I have been getting this window issue where it keeps telling me every time before I start my car to open and close the driver or the passenger side window. So I've been playing with this, and I believe I fixed it for the driver's side. So now I am going to share with you guys how to fix it for both sides, whether it's your driver or your passenger side. Okay, so as I'm getting to the car here for the first time, we are just going to start the car. As you can see, as it's about to take time to come up here, I get this. Open and close passenger window. Now, before I had it for the driver's side as I was playing with these switches over here, but now I'll have it for this passenger side. So if you don't fix this, as you may know, your windows start coming down slowly and slowly, or it doesn't roll all the way up. So what I did to fix this, over here on this side, I hold this button up for 5 seconds. So as I figured it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just did it for that extra second. So now the window is up, and let's see. Now I set it to go back down, and now it'll go back up. So now we're gonna turn the car off, and we're gonna see what that issue comes up again. Okay. There you go. Issue solved. Also, another alternative that you can do, if that doesn't work for you, you can always go to your battery and disconnect the power cable, and it should reset everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to hit this like button. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos and that bell icon. And I'll see you guys in the next one.